Yes, rocket sleds are certainly the unheralded hero of the entire space program, and I think there should be a lot more attention paid to this and the technology that was developed.
Born sensing head with a light source and a photosensitive pickup crosses the interrupter. The resultant break in the light beam produces a voltage pulse which is telemetered to Midway and recorded. The telemetry receiving and recording equipment and timing equipment at Midway are some of the most sophisticated now in use. In addition to the conventional frequency-modulated FM system in use, there is a capability for receiving and recording pulse code-modulated PCM, pulse duration-modulated PDM, and pulse amplitude-modulated PAM telemetry.
It's certainly all about the telemetry. And the photography. Here's the facility here.
Program requirements, the track directorate does design and build special sleds, if none are available in the inventory. The one area we haven't covered concerns the blockhouses at the track. There are 4 permanent blockhouses. There is one at the north.
The wiring that they use for blockhouses is truly fantastic, as you can see. But out in the desert, of course, you don't get too much decay on anything.
For the next few moments, while we wait for the launch, I want you to watch the drama of the track as it unfolds almost daily. Watch the drama of the track as it unfolds almost daily.
So this is how they developed the Saturn rocket, right here on this track, so that should really be commended, and that's how they did it. Something like what that big prawn in Australia is suspended by. Certainly a lot better than what the space shuttle is held up with. And talk about technological feats and improvements. Here the Sonic Wind, which in its first run was 600 miles an hour. It seems to have increased in speed a hell of a lot here. Incredible stuff.
Testing platform with a set of rails used to accelerate rockets and other different experimental objects. It is powered by 9 solid-fueled rockets, creating 40,000 pounds of thrust for 5 seconds, managing to cross 613 feet per second. That means it can hit a top speed of 6,453 miles per hour, or
6,000 miles an hour.
385 kilometers per hour.
Just have to hear that again.
Means it can hit a top speed of 6,453 miles per hour, or 10,385 kilometers per hour. This aircraft, the North American X-15, holds the current record for the fastest manned aircraft.
Got a 7 there.
Its maximum speed was recorded at Mach 6.70, which is about 4,400 miles per hour, or 7,200 kilometers per hour.
Well, they're here saying Mark 8. Here's a run here. Oh, yes, much faster than Mark 8, wouldn't you agree? Look at that. Rocketing along. The man in the front of it. Wave. Very good.
The effects of that those were the good old days. Those were the good old days.
The dam heights are computer determined. The masonite is then cut and positioned in the trough to within 1/32 of an inch of the required height.
132, 33.
Solitude. There is a busy and productive organization devoted to making history in its own special way. That organization is the high-speed track at Holloman Air Force Base.
This truly stands out as a great rocket launch that I've come across here by Per Pavlik. I'll just show the different stills of it. It's actually real. Well, you know, it's real small, but it's actually real, and it actually goes up and comes down. The parachute behind it. But I'm trying to get where it's at its highest spot. So we're in the way down now. Yeah, here's the turning point. Stop going up, and look, it swings out, and we see the sky. And yes, that's what it really looks like when you go up high. If it's a blue day, it's going to be blue as high as anything we're ever going to get up there. It's going to be this idea of coming up and it being black. Anyway, I'll cover this more in another video. I'm going to look at a bit more of things like this that seem to be around. And as you can see, it goes up a little bit of a whack. The whole trip of it. As we've seen it before, haven't we? Many times over. Just to have that technique of the black part. So yeah, more videos coming on these subjects, that's for sure. Cheers.